Hello friends, I'm Leo from TreatmentPossible. Are you looking for treatment outside your country for yourself or your relative? Do they need treatment which is not available in your country and India is amongst the top options in the world? But you may be wondering, how do I plan my treatment in India? How do I go about it? Where should I go about it? Which hospital? Which doctor? How much will it cost? Well, in this episode of Treatment Plan, we will cover all the questions that you may have related to your treatment in India. So let's start. You learn from your doctor about the condition and you're looking for a treatment in India because it's not available in your country or because it's expensive where you are. So how do you go about it? You need to send us all your medical reports, whatever you may have, your scans, your blood reports, biopsy reports, anything and everything that you have. Please send it to us. You can send it to us via email or through WhatsApp. You can find our WhatsApp number here. And within 24 hours of you sending us the reports, you will get free medical estimate and a complete treatment plan, which means you will get the cost of the treatment, how much will it cost, and you will get what kind of treatment it will be, and you will also get to know how long you will have to stay in India. Based on that, you can plan your treatment. We don't give you just one option. We will provide you with 3 options. Amongst the option provided to you, you can choose which one depending upon the budget, the preference of hospital, the preference of city, or preference of doctor. It's up to you. We are there to guide you, but the decision will be made by you. Now, when you have selected a doctor, you can also choose to do a video conference consultation with that doctor, which means all the queries that you may have, you can discuss with the doctor related to the treatment, related to the surgery, related to the post-surgery prognosis, what to expect, what not to expect. It will help you prepare for the upcoming treatment. Once you have finalized the hospital, doctor, you let us know, because the next stage of planning would be your travel. And how do you go about planning your travel? Well, to start with, we'll send you a visa invitation letter from the hospital that you have selected. This would be a formal and a legal document that will go to the Indian embassy in your country. And based on this visa invitation, you will get a medical visa for the patient and for the attendant. Once you have the visa invitation, you apply for visa. At the same time, you book your air tickets. If you need assistance, we can help you with your travel booking. If not, please go ahead and book it with your local travel agent or with a booking company near your place. Once you have booked your tickets, please send us your air tickets so that we can start preparing for your medical treatment in India. As per your arrival, we will plan your airport pickup. We will book the hotel for you. We will book the doctor consultation for you, and the treatment thereafter would be planned based on your arrival date in India. When you arrive in India, our care managers will be there to receive you at the airport. And from there, you will be taken straight to the hospital or to the hotel which you have chosen. When we speak of hotel, you may choose to stay in a hotel or in a service apartment. The difference is, when you stay in a service apartment, you get to cook your own food to your taste, to your liking. At the same time, it would be more economical compared to your staying in hotel because you have additional expenses on the food. But if you don't wish like cooking, you can always choose to stay in the hotel for your own comfort. On the day of your arrival, you will have your appointment with treating doctor. Since your doctor appointment is pre-booked, your treatment will start immediately as soon as you arrive in India. All the investigations required, all the consultations, and all the planning required will immediately start as soon as you are in India. As everything is planned, you will save a lot of time and days in India because of that. So after your investigation, the doctor will discuss with you on the surgery or the treatment plan. Now, if you are not convinced or you are not satisfied with what the doctor is saying, you always have an option to go in for a second opinion. Don't worry, we'll arrange a second opinion for you at another hospital. Now, while you are admitted in the hospital for your treatment or surgery, your attendant can stay with you. The treatment package which was provided to you includes your attendant's stay and food while you are admitted in the hospital. During your stay in India, we will be there to assist you throughout your journey. You will be provided with a SIM card or a phone line with data connectivity so that you can be in touch with your loved one back home. You will be assisted in all your requirements like Forex exchange, sightseeing, local conveyance, and any other need that you may have. Maybe you will have to extend your visa or maybe change your date of flying back to your country. We'll be always there to assist you. And when you're ready to fly back to your country, you will be provided with a fit to fly certificate so that you get a okay from the airline to fly back. On your discharge, you will be handed over your medical file, which will include your investigation reports, your surgery and treatment report, along with your pharmacy prescription. Now, you need to plan your pharmacy, what you're going to take back to your country, and that is where we will help you to procure drugs at a very discounted price. At the end of your treatment, you will be handed over all the medical documents and reports and scans that you underwent in India. So when you go back with entire files, medical reports, surgery summary file, consultation file, everything. There will be a follow-up upon with the surgeon, and he can ensure that everything is proper before you fly out. It's not over when you go back to your country. You may need to speak to your surgeon again. You may need some pharmacy again. We'll always be there to arrange whatever you may need. We will be always there and will continue to assist you in every way possible. Choose Treatment Possible for your treatment in India.